Hello everyone, welcome back. In my previous video, I built a voice assistant with Google Gemini on Raspberry Pi, and I got a lot of questions about that video. Several people are asking me how to automatically launch the Python voice assistant at the startup of Raspberry Pi. So in today's video, I'd like to focus on how you can automatically launch a voice assistant at the startup of Raspberry Pi. Now let's log into Raspberry Pi and see how can we do that. Alright, we are in. We're going to create a cron job to launch the Python script at the startup of the Raspberry Pi. We use this command. Press enter here to use a nano text editor. Now over here, we're going to create a new entry to launch our Python script. I'm using the up and down arrow key to move the cursor to this point here. Now we right click to paste the command over here. So this is a very long command. I'm going to explain part by part. As you can see here at the boot, at first we wait for 60 seconds so that the Raspberry Pi can initiate packages for the Python program. This part here is going to tell Raspberry Pi to launch the rest in the bash shell. As you can see here, we activate the virtual environment we created earlier. And then we use the Python in that virtual environment. This is the Python script we're going to launch in the virtual environment. This part here is going to redirect errors and standard output in this log file. And this sign here is going to tell Raspberry Pi to run this command in the background so that it will not hold on the system. Now let's save this file and move on. To save this file, click Ctrl and O. Enter. Now it is saved. You can see here. We can exit this program by using Ctrl X. Now I'm going to power off Raspberry Pi and then it will start manually to see how it works. Alright, at first I'm going to turn on the audio amplifier. Now I'm going to turn on Raspberry Pi. Remember over here we have to wait for 1 minute so that it will initialize and boot up before it runs our Python program. So please be patient here. Once the green light is on, that means we are ready to ask questions. Alright, the green light is on. Now we can ask some questions. Hi, Jack. How are you?
As a language AI model, I don't have personal feelings or experiences. So I don't have the capacity to feel good or bad. I'm designed to assist you with language-related tasks and provide information to the best of my abilities. Is there anything I can help you with today?
Can you tell me a joke?
Sure, here's a joke for you. What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back? A stick. I hope you enjoyed that.
Alright, as you can see, it is working. If you have any questions and suggestions, please leave in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to check our GitHub page for this project so that you have all the commands I used in this program. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and a subscribe, as that will help me a lot with my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.